Hey guys, what's up? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix generic error while uploading PSD files from Photoshop to Premiere Pro. Let's say your client send you PSD file with their logo or any other graphic that they want to include in their video and you struggle to import it to Premiere Pro. Let me show you how to fix it. Let's do it now. Okay guys, so you've got your Premiere Pro project open. My timeline is empty. I'll just show you example on one PSD file that I want to import. So this is that file. As you can see, you cannot see thumbnail of it. So let's try to import it. And we've got this little nightmare. The importer reported a generic error. So let's click OK. And what you have to do, open Photoshop. Open the file that you want to work on. So all you have to do, go to Image, Mode, and change mode to RGB color. And then File, click Save, go back to Premiere Pro. And now as you can see, icon change, you can see the logo, you know what the file is. And it asks you to merge all the layers, yes. And now you can place your logo on the timeline. So now you know how to fix generic error in Premiere Pro with PSD files. Also, if you have issues with video files, you can rename the file or relocate the file to different folder or to different drive and try to import it again. It never happened to me, but I know that's the also solution for that kind of problem. If you like this video and help you to fix your issues, please subscribe to this channel. I'll be dropping more videos like that, little tricks, little tips, and I hope I'll see you in next video. Peace.